You've seen us play ping pong, and now it's time for a little bowling. This time, Brian and I have 2 Vision Pros. We're going to record some spatial videos. Let's go!
Bowling in the future.
This is bowling in the future. Indeed, absolutely.
Why are we doing this?
Let's go. Brian's a little nervous wearing this. Let's see how he does. Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go, your first time. I'm very impressed. Okay, Brian, what's your review of bowling with the Apple Vision Pro?
Not as difficult as I thought it would be. And I think we did better than, at least than I expected. So.
Yeah, I mean, we both just got strikes. Pretty good.
Not bad.
Would you recommend bowling with the Apple Vision Pro?
I mean, if you don't mind everyone looking at you, then why not?
I just got back from bowling with Brian. It was a lot of fun. And hey, I got a strike. I will be posting the spatial video recordings of our time at the bowling lanes, so definitely check that out in the links below. Remember to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.